This is my AGI Studio 1 Week 8 video. Me and Yang Kai are continuing our work for the boss battle. The plan is to make a third stage for the boss before we start to do level design. During Week 7 and Week 8, I was mainly focusing on building dynamic backgrounds, rendering for the scene, and also finish a transition for the boss from its second stage to the third stage. The Unity post-processing is a tool that I have used to improve my rendering effects. A video from Unity official channel introduced to me a lot about how to use this technology. This could be the related work for my camera effects and rendering, but I didn't find too much useful reference that can help me to improve our new idea about scenes building, so I had to do a lot of exploration by myself. Because of the special mechanic of boss battle in the third stage, we will need to improve our scene into a ring shape visually. This is very challenging since we are trying to bring some 3D feelings into 2D scene. To do this, I have made everything in the scene dynamic to build the ring shape feeling when player is moving. Before I start to build it in Unity, Yang Kai have made a preview in After Effects, which provided a chance for us to discuss how to improve the effects and the possibility to achieve this effect in Unity. As you can see in Unity, I have made an infinite loop for the pillars and background image. The principle is that when the pillar is moving far away enough from the player, it will be placed to the start point again. For the background loop, I have divided the whole background into 3 parts. When the player is leaving one of them, the last part will move and becomes the first one. For the rendering, I am using Universal Render Pipeline in this project. A new technology that I have learned and used is post-processing, which is simulating physical camera and film properties. By using post-processing, I have made a vignette effect on the screen, some bloom effect for the scene, and also adjust colors on the screen. I also made a transition for boss from the second stage to the third stage by using the character and animation resources from my partner Yang Kai. Because in the third stage, the core mechanic is not melee attack battle anymore, but interact with the whole scene comes to the core. I have moved the camera a little bit far from player to provide a broader view for our player. There is a new animation controller be created to control all the actions of boss in third stage. The plan for the next week will be working on new animations for the boss and interaction with player. The new mechanic, which is using to damage boss, will be done next week as well. I hope that I can finish the boss battle in the next 2 weeks and move on to level design. Thanks for watching.